I don't know why we don't drop pins down here. We're still giving directions like it's 1947 here.
You gotta quit snap shooting gobblers.
Why?
You gotta aim at
Well,
them.
because you got.
I'm getting every one of them. No, you ain't. Dude, I didn't snap shoot the one I missed. I held on it.
It's on camera, you
No, I did. Put the gun up.
And threw it
Put
down.
the gun up and aim.
I think we've got a bunch on ice.
Going over there.
Just biting.
Really? Are you kidding me? Like this dude and getting stung is unreal.
Hell,
What?
I don't know. So
He come out
Bit me.
throwing and kicking and wanting to
so
fight. I thought I did
got
something.
bit.
Oh,
I got
yeah,
bit
right
by
there.
something. I can't shake this. Look at that.
Oh.
Well, we're starting this turkey season off right where we left brushing season off. Putting on my leafy gear suit because it was the lightest thing I had to wear because it's 85 degrees and just got a spider bite that's already swollen up to the size of a nickel. So I might die this afternoon. Hopefully a turkey does. I don't know. Stay tuned.
Here we are following Hector in the mobile Jeep mobile. We don't know what's about to happen. We do know two things. One of the guys in the groups that left here before us seen one Jake in 2 days, and the wind's been blowing 45 mile an hour for 2 days. And the wind's still blowing 45 mile an hour, so nobody has much confidence around this joint, so we're going to see what happens.
Rojas, near George West, Texas. Day one. It's about 85 degrees. The wind's howling. Hector's been doing battle for the last 3 days. It's the third day of the season with the turkey in here. We've got the fan. We've got a 35-year experienced guide, Brad behind the camera. We're going to give it up. Day one, we haven't heard a gobble. It's calmed down. We told ourselves we couldn't hear him because of the wind. Well, the wind's laid down to nothing. We haven't heard any yet. Hold on. Still nothing. I'm 0 for 300. We're on the way back to this truck. Finally got a gobble. Sounded very far. Stay tuned. There's two. There's two. You're on the street.
ain't no mosquitoes.
No, fuck me, that's not cool. No.
Morning.
Oh, Lord. Mr. Kipper here. Yeah, go ahead and breast them out and put them in the fridge.
Gosh.
Let's take it out. Yes.
Burrito?
Yeah.
Tex-Mex, bud.
That's authentic.
Yeah. And you should hear birds to the right of you,
Down towards that river.
towards that river.
First morning, the wind blew hard as hell last night. Got close to him going to roost. Weren't able to pull it off. Got to him a little too late. We're getting back in on him this morning, tight, no wind. It's probably about 60 degrees. And we're going to try cutting them off, but we know the field they've been going to strut, so if we don't get them off the roost, we're going to make a big loop on them, but hopefully it won't take that long. We can't catch a break. We've got a hen yelping her ass off. Gobblers went this way. We got this hen over here calling. They're a ways off. We're gonna make a move. Try catching back up with them. See him, he's coming. Which direction? We've been hunting 2 days in Texas, and it has been tough. Finally, Brad and I got on one on the roost. I've been slowly trailing this thing for, what is it, 9:30, 2 hours. Just called up 2 jakes, hit them with the fan. They took off running. Thought we blew the gig and sitting here waiting. A plane flew over. One fires up at 100 yards. Yelp a couple times. Never really even gobbled at me. Seen him come walking through here. Had a ton of brush in the way. He was circling behind us. I shot at 40 and I guess missed, so.
On to the next one.
Yeah. Do it long enough and you're gonna miss one. What was it, 150 yards? It's like closing, coming. All of a sudden I look over to my left where Eric had been sitting and he's just gone. I'm here, the decoys are here, the turkey's coming from the left, Jeff's sitting to my right, and the turkey is just...
Well, what they didn't know is I knew where the fence was cut and the tree was down, and I knew where he was going to come across the fence. I just didn't quite make it there.
So here comes the turkey running across the field on a dead sprint for the decoy that we're sitting in front of. And Eric's not there, the guy with the gun. And he makes it about halfway across the field and you hear and he steamrolls it at like 67 yards running.
And then